What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is a channel all about technical analysis and price predictions. Today we'll be looking at GALA. And I don't want to waste your guys' time. I know I always do this introduction, but let's go ahead and jump right into it, okay? Don't want to waste your guys' time. Don't want to waste my time either. So first things first, I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame here, okay? And what I usually like to do is draw out my Fibonacci retracement from the higher low to a higher high. All right, solid. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour time frame here to get a better look at what we're looking at. Okay, so as you can see, the price action is going up, right? It's an uptrend, okay? Let me see here. Now we're starting to see the market kind of slowing down a bit, doing some little small corrections here, okay? All right, this is solid here. What I'm seeing here is I feel like GALA is still going to continue going up. And is at what, 40 cents right now? And the reason I'm saying that it's going to continue going up right now is because we have a little retracement here. Right? And if we do our support and resistance levels here, let's go ahead and do that real quick here. I think that's it. I think that's it. Okay. All right. So right here, this is the support level. Okay. And at the time when this was kind of like retracing here, this is the resistance. So it took a couple times and then finally broke out. Once it broke out, now it had to retest back where the breakout happened, okay, from right to left. So now this is a support level. So it finally retest back to the support level. Now it's going to finally shoot back up to retest at this resistance level again, and hopefully for this hopefully the second time it will break out, okay? And hopefully if it does break out, it has to do the exact same thing that it did here, where once it breaks out it will have to retest, okay? And once it retests, it will go back up, okay? This is the pattern that I'm seeing, okay? Oh, we're okay. Yeah, this is the pattern that I'm seeing, okay? Even though it didn't do it here, because it retraced, it broke out, but it didn't retest. So it doesn't happen all the time, but majority of the time it does happen. I will give it like 80% that usually happens, okay? So it's still pretty high. So I think for GALA, this is a good sign for whoever is investing to GALA. If you guys bought it right here, you're solid. Okay, you're solid. And usually, how when I trade on an uptrend, usually, yes. Actually, hold on. Let me scratch what I said, because the Fibonacci that I just did is on a daily time frame. I didn't do one for a 4 hour time frame here. So from the higher low to a higher high, maybe something like this here. The recent higher low. Okay, yeah, this is good. So so what I was saying is that usually when I trade in an uptrend, right, I usually like to see, once the breakout happens, I like to see where, if wait for the retest, right, back to where the breakout happens. That's one. And also I usually like to wait until it hits the 0.5 or the 0.618 level. That's the golden area where usually the market tends to flip, right? So it broke out, now it's going back down, and did hit this breakout level where it happened. Also, it hit the 0.5 level. Well, So it hit the 0.5 level. So that's a good sign to put in a little bit of money here, because you always got to buy the dip, right? You got to, what's it called? When you put a little bit of money on the dip, it gives you a better price average of where you previously bought. And if you guys don't know what I'm saying is, here's an example. If you bought it up here, right? Say you bought it at 50 cents and you bought the dip and you bought it at the 40 cents. Now you average that out. Now your price will be somewhere in the 45, okay? 45, 43, 42 area, okay? So that's what I mean by you're averaging your price. So that's why I usually like to tell people to put in a little money on the dip, okay? And just a disclaimer, I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure you do your research, okay? And make sure you know, not what you know, but you're comfortable with in investing your money, because people tend to lose a lot of money, okay? So just please be responsible. So anyways, this is a good sign for GALA. I think that's pretty much it for the chart here, okay? And if you guys want to know where this price could like actually go, let me go ahead and do that for you guys. Here, and then I think it was at the 0.5 level. Shoot, we will see at the $1.04. So a lot of potential growth there. Okay, so whoever's into GALA, kudos to you. All right, it's doing really, really well. Okay. All right, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And you guys have any questions about my technical analysis or price predictions, feel free to leave it on the comments down below. I always read your guys' comments. And if there's any other coins you guys want me to do, please drop it down below. I will do it for you guys. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.